Most of the time, WIDEX Moment is able to automatically deliver you the ideal sound. Yet we do know that sometimes you want something unique. My Sound allows you to find your individual sound preference using the Moment app. Using artificial intelligence (AI) built into our hearing aids, My Sound can help in 2 smart and easy ways. If you have WIDEX Moment hearing aids and a connected smartphone, you can use the Moment app. You will find My Sound on the home screen at the center of the lower bar. Simply tap the icon to begin. When you open My Sound, select Get Started to begin the journey. First, choose what you're doing and then what sounds you would like to prioritize. Now, My Sound uses its AI and input from thousands of other similar users and presents these recommendations to you. You will see recommendation 1 and 2 at the top of the screen under the title Made for You. Try these settings out by tapping on them as many times as you like and find what you are looking for in seconds. If the suggestions are not exactly what you want, then you can train My Sound to find a more personal sound for you. Below the title, Create Your Own, tap SoundSense Learn. Here is the powerful learning feature of My Sound, one you can train in the moment to find your perfect sound. You see buttons A and B, and you can tap to listen as many times as you like. Use the slider below to tell it which you prefer, and if you don't have a preference, leave the slider in the middle. Once you have rated the sounds, tap Next, and you are presented with new sounds to listen to and rate. This process repeats itself until you get to your sound preference. For an even more customized sound, the system can further refine your preferences with up to 20 clicks. You are in control to stop the tool when you find what is right for you. If you really like this sound setting and want to use it again in the future, you can save it and give it a name that is easy to remember. Then choose an icon for your new program. WIDEX My Sound is there to help you find that sound so you can get on and enjoy your hearing life with WIDEX. Thank you for choosing WIDEX.